Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Sheets permission problem. So if you can't type, move cells, or make changes to a spreadsheet, it usually means you only have viewing access. So the easiest solution is to request editing permission from the file owner. So first, open the Google Sheet you want to edit. Make sure you're using the correct file and sign into the Google account that should have access. If you see view only at the top, look for request edit access option. Usually near the share button, depending on the layout, you may also find it by clicking the view only label or lock icon. So click request edit access and a small window will appear where you can add a message. So briefly explain why you need access and what you need to change. So keep your message clear and professional. So make sure you select editor in here. Then click request access. So the file owner will receive your request and can either approve or deny it. So once they approve your request, refresh the sheet if needed and you should be able to edit the cells normally. So if Google Sheets is stuck in view only mode, make sure you're using the right account and simply request edit access from the owner. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to editing your spreadsheet.